Salutes to all hearers who are interested in Siddha Yoga. What is this Siddha Yoga? You might have heard about Hatha Yoga, Mantra Yoga, Laya Yoga, and also the Raja Yoga. Then what is the speciality of this Siddha Yoga? Well, I may state here that for Siddha Yoga, nothing is required to be proved. It is a proved fact. As such, it has got the grandeur of nothing to be done by the disciple, everything will be done by the mother power. Mother power means the mother energy which is residing in everybody on the earth's face, which is supposed to be the highest warning for everybody to have his perfection of the life. You will ask me, what is the deity? What we should worship at all for all this Siddha Yoga? I may state that this deity is nothing else but the mother energy. What is mother energy? Mother is the breathing process which are available for everybody on earth's face. Perhaps there will be nobody who will say that I don't require breathing. Therefore, the eligibility for this Siddha Yoga is nothing else but the breathing process. In other words, I may say, the air is the mother for this Siddha Yoga. Air, everybody and everywhere it is present. No doubt one way we say that it is omnipresent and omniscient also. It has got a very high potential also. When we say that air is the mother for all the people on the earth's face, you will definitely agree that when one mother is there, naturally we are all brothers. There is no any necessity to have and to bring any proof for that, because mother energy is residing in everybody and doing the all process of the life process. What is our life? Life is nothing else. In short, we may say that life includes the body and the mind. The speciality of this Siddha Yoga is we are going to give the whole world a doctrine which is the basic for all our affairs in the world, and therefore we may say that in order to have this Siddha Yoga at everybody's door, and the eligibility is very simple, being the air, free air, and we may say that it can go to everybody without any cost. Please note, this Siddha Yoga is, we always describe it very nicely as the cheapest, simplest and the highest. Cheapest in the sense, anybody on the earth's face can have this without any cost. Simplest? Simplest because I have already explained that nothing is required to be done. Who is going to do? Nothing can be done unless somebody practices it and does something. But in this Siddha Yoga, a very queer and strange thing is, everything will be done by the original mother power, that is the breathing. In simply, we say the air will do the work. For this practical, first of all, you have to close the eyes. How? With a great devotion in the mind. Please note, when eyes with a very high sentiment in the mind. When you close the eyes, a thing does happen in everybody's body. When you close the eyes with entire devotion, naturally, the air from the body, from the backbone, starts coming up. You can try it just now also. Close the eyes with devotion, with highest love towards what? Towards the mother energy. Mother energy is the breath which is practically going on everywhere, and which is, I should say, that is the only permanent thing which God has given us. Perhaps nobody was required to pay something. It was at free cost. The another thing is, relax the body. Why relaxation? Because we have already gone through the process that though the body is there, body is definitely a day or two or some after 100 years or like that, it is going to perish. So we will not have so much importance, and for that, what we will be doing? Relaxation. You also know, in medical sciences also, relaxation has been given the highest importance. You are not doing anything, everything will be done by the mother power, due to which the body has the importance and the mind is also there due to the air which is flowing in our, and which is a permanent thing. That is given by the God. Is only one permanent thing is there, that I have already explained. So you have to pray the Almighty in the form of air which is automatically flowing. Please note the word automatic. So kindly come along with me, close the eyes with devotion and with entire devotion and affection towards the mother energy, that is the breathing which is automatically being done. You must have observed that this Siddha Yoga has a grandeur that it has no differences are considered, so that the whole world can come together and worship this single mother, because of which we are all brothers, and this universal brother will be automatically established. I think this is in short the Siddha Yoga, which I may repeat, which has been administered and taught by my Sadguru Sri Lokanath Tirtha Swami Maharaj. They have taught me. I am just picking out whatever they have told me, and I therefore bow before them. And I may close here saying that you all please look into this matter very easy, cheapest, simplest and highest yoga path, and especially though there are some rules for initiation, you may try this introductory path so that you can get up at night and say that you are not the body, not the mind also, but you are the air. You cannot say that air is not required by you, and therefore this may please be tried by you for your time, whatever is possible for you. I think, thank you all. This is a preliminary talk I have given to you. I feel that it will be sufficiently guiding you for the whole life structure in one way. Thank you very much.